These are my top five triggers. Try not to tingle. Okay, I have this wooden ruler. Perfect. Okay, so look right here. What number is that? What number is this one? This one right here. This one. What number is it? Good. Okay, next this one here. What number is this? Right here. This one. This one. This one. Good. Okay, let's trace this. Worth. Perfect. And it's a little building. And finally, what's this number right here? 20. Good. Number 2 is this juggling ball. Okay, what color is this side? Yellow. Good. Okay, next. What color is this side? Blue. Good. And this color? Red. Okay, tell me which side the sound is coming from the left or the right. Ready? Good, and now. Number 3 is the sound of my wallet. Number 4, lid sounds. I'm just so uncoordinated. I'm really bad with lids, sorry.
Oh my god, bestie, did you do your makeup in the dark? I'm gonna get you right cleansing mom to get this stuff off your face. You need like a whole bunch. Just gonna bring a little life back to your face, you know. Hey bestie, do you happen to have any blush? Yeah, I like totally forgot to put on some today and it looked kind of like dead, so I was wondering if I could borrow your blush. You wait. I promise I'll give it back. Relax, bestie. Just a little more. Ooh, this color looks really good too. Oh, yeah.
Got a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand. I'm just going to blend, buffing it out. Buffing it out. Translucent powder. We're going to do some blush now. And just buff this into your beautiful cheeks. Cheeks. I'm just going to do a little bit on the nose as well. A little tiny bit